Does SEO help CPC? No. It's completely two different things. SEO is organic, and CPC is your cost per click in Google Ads. Because why would you use Google Ads, and when would you want to run SEO? Let me show you something interesting. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, I'm going to go into a incognito window, and then I'm going to type in my keyword. Now, this is all organic. You see all these four? Now, nobody is bidding on this keyword, so mine has come up. But what this has done is, you talk about SEO, I'm talking about video SEO. It's really powerful, right? It's coming above. Google is giving more preference to videos than the organic rankings. And this is another one of my, well, this is our blog. So I've got 4 videos and 1 blog. If I change it to Google Ads Dentist, ads are there at the top. There you go, my video is there. If I change it to wedding photographers or something like that. So we target these keywords. See how many has popped up. 3 videos. I think this LinkedIn is mine. Pinterest would be mine. These 2 are my blog post as well. We go to LinkedIn, that's LinkedIn, that's Pinterest. So I've got about how many? 3 videos, 3, LinkedIn 4, 5, 6, and Pinterest 7. 7 links on page 1 for just for one keyword. So what I'm trying to show you and explain to you is, most people go after SEO. I'm going after video SEO. But you need to create video. Why am I here twice a week, live stream, and we upload regularly every day, every weekday on our channel? Is because to create content which will then get ranked in Google. Nobody is doing it, but SEO, everybody wants to do. Everybody is doing it, or doing it badly. And what happens? You don't get the results, you give up. But video SEO, it is going to give you, I'm not saying instant results. It will give you results, but not even 2% of companies or your competition will be doing what I'm doing and what I just showed you. All the other agencies, they are far too busy, which is fine. Let them be busy while I clean up quietly on Google. The point is, people like, if I want to pick up, not a physical fight, but a SEO fight with somebody like Neil Patel, I can't compete with him. I can't compete with blogs, high authority websites like WordStream, blog.google.com, and so on. They are very high authority websites. It will take me a few years to reach there. But guess what? None of their videos are popping up on Google for those keywords which I'm targeting. So I don't want to be in the red ocean. I want to be in the blue ocean, where there is not a bloodbath, and I'm there on my own, cleaning up quietly.